I'm Kamantha Naidu for Investment Pitch Media. Thanks for joining us today. I-80 Gold Corp reported results from the first 4 holes drilled to follow up the recently discovered Hilltop Zone at the company's 100% owned Ruby Hill property located in Eureka County, Nevada. With 5 properties in Nevada, I-80 is one of the largest holders of gold and silver resources in the United States. Highlights from recent core drilling in the upper horizon at the Hilltop target include Hole 51, which returned 33 grams per ton gold, 3,010 grams per ton silver, and 63.5% lead over 0.6 meters and 3.1 grams per ton gold, 683.3 grams per ton silver, and 37.6% lead over 14.6 meters. Hole 53, which returned 1.9 grams per ton gold, 631.3 grams per ton silver, 7.4% zinc, and 33% lead over 18.3 meters. Hole 54, which returned 0.6 grams per ton gold, 374.1 grams per ton silver, 3.9% zinc, and 20.2% lead over 20.8 meters. And Hole 55, which returned 60.2 grams per ton gold, 908.7 grams per ton silver, 1.1% zinc, and 15.7% lead over 10 meters, including 83.2 grams per ton gold, 1,261 grams per ton silver, 1.5% zinc, and 22.1% lead over 7 meters. These results confirm the high-grade polymetallic CRD mineralization previously reported in the discovery Hole 43 in the upper Hilltop Zone announced August 30th, which returned an impressive 515.3 grams per ton silver, 28.9% lead, 10.5% zinc, and 0.9 grams per ton gold over 28.3 meters. Owing to this successful drilling at the Hilltop Zone, the program at Ruby Hill has again been expanded to facilitate additional step-out drilling at this target. In addition to the upper horizon, drilling is testing the lower horizon where the initial hole 25 intersected multiple zones of mineralization, including 238.8 grams per ton silver, 11% zinc, and 9% lead over 9.4 meters, and 469.5 grams per ton silver, 11.8% zinc, and 18.2% lead over 2.1 meters. Drilling is being completed in both the upper and lower Hilltop horizons, with assays pending. The Hilltop discovery is a new zone of mineralization located approximately 400 meters southwest of the polymetallic Blackjack Zone, immediately south of the Archimedes pit and proximal to the planned portal that the company is advancing for construction. Mineralization consists of polymetallic carbonate replacement in the form of massive and semi-massive sulfide and oxide mineralization containing high-grade precious metals and base metals. Continued definition and expansion drilling is underway, and the horizon remains open along strike and at depth. The Hilltop discovery opens up a structural corridor measuring greater than 1.5 kilometers between the Archimedes pit and the original Ruby Hill mine, which was previously underexplored due to post-mineral alluvial cover. Mineralization in the upper horizon occurs immediately below alluvial cover at a depth of approximately 150 meters. Geophysical surveys have been completed over the discovery area, including downhole electromagnetic and surface and induced polarization surveys, in an effort to identify additional massive sulfide targets. Infill and step-out drilling was also completed in 2022 in the Ruby Deep's gold deposit to aid in the advancement of the company's plan to develop an underground mine at Ruby Hill, with mineralization accessed via a ramp from the Archimedes open pit. The Ruby Hill property is one of the company's primary assets and is host to the core processing infrastructure within the Eureka district of the Battle Mountain Eureka Trend, including an idle leach plant, an active heap leach facility, and is host to multiple gold, silver, and polymetallic deposits. The current program at Ruby Hill is one of several drill programs on I-80 projects in 2022 that are collectively budgeted to comprise more than 50,000 meters. Work is also progressing for the completion of updated mineral resource estimates for the gold and polymetallic zones and an initial economic study focused on the gold zones. Ewan Downey, CEO of i-80 Gold, has joined us today to discuss the company. Welcome, Ewan.
Thank you, Kamantha. We're pretty happy with the recent performance in our share price. We've been, I think, outperforming a lot of our peers of late, owing to the significant discovery that we have made at Ruby Hill, a very high-grade polymetallic deposit that is yielding some tremendous grades, and we believe is one of the highest grade discoveries made anywhere in the world in recent history. So it is a big focus for our company, but we also have a lot of other projects that we are advancing at the same time as we grow our production business. We're just starting our mining at the Granite Creek project, where we have a very high grade project that's running over 10 grams per ton. We're just starting to process material from that operation, and at that site, in the last 18 months, we've also made a very significant discovery, the South Pacific Zone, that has yielded continuous high-grade results as we've drilled that off over 2022. Going into 2023, we expect to have a continued busy year on the exploration and the development front, as we're currently driving the decline to begin the underground work at the Cove Mine project. We're also going to be ramping up our production at Granite Creek, and we expect sometime during the year that we will receive our permits to proceed with the underground development at Ruby Hill, where we just made this exciting new discovery. So over the next several years, we expect to be very busy in terms of exploration, development, and operations. So we're looking forward to a positive future, and thank you very much.
Thank you, Ewan. The shares are trading at $3.37, up significantly from the $2.80 price prior to the release of these results. For more information, please visit the company's website at i80gold.com. I'm Kamantha Naidu for Investment Pitch Media.